Good morning and welcome to the installation and configuration process of the All-in-One Layouts app. In just 3 to 6 minutes, we'll have this app set up and running. So, let's get started. First, go to Salesforce App Exchange and search for All-in-One Layouts. Once you find it, click on the Get It Now button to install the latest package. A pop-up will appear, asking you where to install the package. Select an option to proceed. Now, a confirmation pop-up will open. Make sure to select the checkbox for the terms and conditions, and then click on the Confirm and Install button. Next, choose an account or org, and an app installation page will open. Select an option and click on the Install button. Sit tight and wait for the package installation to complete. Once it's done, you'll see a new app called All-in-One Layouts in the installed packages list. Simply choose or select the app to configure. To find the All-in-One Layouts app, go to the App Launcher and search for it. Click on the app once you find it. You'll be taken to the All-in-One Setup tab, which has 2 steps. The first step is a one-time process, and the second step is to configure users and subjects. To complete step 1, simply click on the Create Remote Site Setting button. You'll see a successful notification screen, and you'll be automatically redirected to configure step 2. On the All-in-One Setup tab, you'll find 3 sections, one for setting app settings, another for adding users, and the last one for adding subjects. The user who installed the package will be automatically added to default subjects, such as task and event. Select all the active layouts and then click on the Update App Settings button. Scroll down and click on the Add button to add a subject configuration. Select an object and fill in all the details according to your preferences. Provide a unique name. Set the record display name. Choose a redirect option. Select start and end dates. Select planner group by and indicator fields. Set GeoMap Layout details. Resource layout details. Record criteria filter and sort details. Tooltip field details. Search Like Me field details, and the desired color code details. Once you're done, click on the Save button, and the configuration will be successfully created. You'll need to create a field set named CA Fields for the subjects to create or edit records within the app. For each configured subject, you can create or edit records by simply clicking on the values in the Subject Display Name column. Congratulations! You're all set to use the All-in-One Layouts app. Now, click on the All-in-One tab, and a pop-up will appear asking you to select configurations. Choose one or multiple configurations and click on the Search button. The selected subject records will be displayed on the calendar layout. Click on any record to view its tooltip details. You can switch to different views like week, without time, day, without time, list, week, with time, and day, with time. If you want to go back to the month view, there's an exciting feature called Search Like Me. It allows you to search for similar records of a subject. Switch to the planner layout to view records in a detailed and classified manner. The action column provides features like editing, adding tasks, and attaching files. Visualize historical data on a yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily basis, allowing you to plan for the future with ease. Navigate to the GeoMap layout. Here, you'll see records displayed based on their selected geolocation field, such as billing address. Click on the records to view the tooltip details. To show or hide the count of existing records at a specific location, simply click on the Apply/Remove Marker Cluster button. You can find nearby records within a specific area by applying a range, in miles, in the nearby field. Switch to the resource layout to access detailed information about resources, parent, and their related, child, object records. Explore multiple views such as month, week, and day to gain a comprehensive understanding. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us at support@apphome.com.